Ano nangyari kay Greatest Love? Naging lesson na lang ba na hindi makalimutan? Yung akala mo na pang endgame na, ang ending ay hanggang alaala na lang pala. Yung greatest love mo na binigay mo yung sobra pa sa sobra.
Di na napigilan mahulog sa'yo nang hindi inaasahan. Bulong ko sa hangin, ako na lang sana ang iyong pipiliin. Makasama mo sa pagtanda.
Caleb! No, actually... Oh! You're playing ukulele? I've never expected you to be playing one.
Yeah. My dad taught me.
Oh, so you have a very happy family.
I guess you can say that.
Is something wrong?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I said I'm fine. I'm so sorry.
Girl, what happened?
Hi, so this is Will Talks. I'm John Wilchuba. This is a podcast where
Bago ka
we
dito,
talk about feelings, we talk about love,
podcast.
we talk about
Dito we talk about love,
stories,
life, everything.
And this is a new this year.
Sorry, but I think we need some space. Ano ba? May pinagkulangan ba ako? Sabihin mo please! Ayoko nang ganito tayo. I'm sorry.
Di ba yun naman ang iyong
You need to find someone better than me. But you are that someone.
Simula pa noon, kahit hanggang ngayon, lahat ng daan
tried to
ay
move on,
pabalik sa'yo.
but when I was in the verge of moving
Balang
on,
araw ay
I saw you
makikita mo,
again.
di kailangang lumayo. Kung paglisan lang ang paraan, patawad.